Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIUS Home School. This is Soniya Joya, English teacher of National Indian English Version School, Moriship, Dhaka. Today I am going to take an ICT class for the student of class 7 students. And our today's topic, Chapter 1, Lesson 6, 7, Reading them. So my dear student, look at the board. Here is class 7. Subject ICT and your today's topic Chapter 1 Lesson 6 7 Reading done and your lecture number 4 and your homework number 3 and this is half yearly term and this is your teacher's name and this is today's date. So my students, let's start out this topic. So this is Chapter 1, our last lesson from Chapter 1, last lesson 6 and lesson 7. So start. All of you girls open your book and open at page 13 and look at the book lesson 6, Information and Communication Technology in Social Life. ICT for developing social relation. ICT for developing social relation. We live in a society, either you or your friends may live in city or in the periphery and some of you may stay in school hostel. Our society consists of parents, grandparents, relatives, friends and others. You know it very well. That's it. This is our society's consisting element or member. Some of them are service holders, some of them are businessmen and some of them are learners and some stay at home. The society advances through these activities and relationship among people. We use different kinds of tools for different purposes. So in the different purposes we use different types of tools in our everyday life or social life. Once people had to move physically from one place to another just to convey a message. Okay, it is our past time, like to convey a message we moved physically from one place to another place and it takes lots of time. And later an urgent piece of information was circulated through drum beats. When they learn how to write, they would communicate it through writing letters. Okay, so writing letters is our first communicating system. First communicating system is writing letters. Thus the postal department was established. Then came postal department established and system of delivering letters from one place to another place into being. The invention of telegraph and telephone made all these things easier. Then came telegraph and telephone. So it is very important that our first communication system is writing letters, then postal system, then telegraph and telephone. Now information and communication technology ICT has brought all the social needs within reach. Innumerable websites of social communication are open on the internet to make these social activities easy along with the conventional tools of ICT. The following are the examples of how social relationships are flourishing by use of ICT. So here are some examples that how social relationships are flourishing by the ICT. By the help of ICT, how can we flourish our social relationship? First one, number A, invitation to social function. Once people used to invite friends to social function either by letters or over telephone calls. But now we can invite people through email and short messages. But now we can invite our people through emails or short messages. The abbreviation meaning of short messages is SMS. SMS service or short message service. The full meaning of SMS is short message service. The advantages of sending email or SMS are that the receivers need not be present on the other side of the computer or telephone when the invitation is sent. They open and see it at their convenience. And at present, through the use of ICT, people invite their people through email or SMS. They not to need to go in their house or places. Number B, greeting on social days. Greeting on social days. You can send greeting to your friends on their birthday or on their occasions of Eid, Christmas and Puja. You can send cards to people who stay around you. But what about those who stay abroad? You can send cards to them by post. But everybody sends e-cards now. But everybody now sends e-card. This is the new process of ICT. Now at present, people send e-card by sending their messages or their invitation. You can send e-cards in 2 days. Okay, you can e-card in 2 days. Designing your own e-card when you can email or picking one from a website of e-cards when you can send to your friend. You do not have to spend any money for that, and you do not have to spend any money for e-card. So it is very easy to us. Rather your friend or relatives get the greetings card through the internet. Again, SMS through mobile phone is very popular right now. You can easily convey your greetings, concern or is to your friends. Nowadays, a new tradition is to greet friends by playing their favorite song on FM radio, which is very much vogue. Social ties become stronger through this website. Through this website, social ties is very much stronger. Who live in abroad, for that we use e-cards, and you can send e-cards in 2 days, and you can stronger your social relationship through these activities. So these are the many activities website on online preserving and selling SMS, selling image. In the online you find many types of sending images, sending e-card images. Number C, preserving and exchange of memorable events. Preserving and exchange of memorable events. We have a tradition and culture to preserving and exchange a memorable and important event since long ago. Those who have the ability can record program on video. Now mobile phones with built-in camera and video camera are available in the market. So it is possible to record and preserve my significant moment for the future. Again, these digital video clips can be sent to their ones. There are many websites in the internet from where you can upload films and share with others. Picasso of Google and Flickr of Yahoo are the most popular among all these websites. So Picasso of Google and Flickr of Yahoo are the most popular among all these websites. In this website you can make a video and save it, and you can send your dear ones. It is very popular in that time at present time. You can project your recorded videos before the world through video sharing sites. Now you can also sharing your video in the sharing site. www.youtube is the most favorite site like this kind. So www.youtube.com is a very much popular site. So this is our topic about preservation and exchange of memorable events. Then lesson 7, information and communication technology in social life. Information and communication technology in social life, lesson 7. Website of social communication. Information and communication technology has made our social communication faster, nicer and more effective. Besides, many of our social affairs are on the internet. It has been said in the previous lesson that if you want to send or say anything to your dear ones, you have to send either an email or SMS. But if you want, if what you are doing is automatically known to your friends, then how would it be? Okay, some website of social communication came into being for this idea. Information of social function, profession, liking and disliking, photographs or videos of family affairs, etc. can easily be shared through of this website. In this website, you can easily share your social function, profession, liking and disliking about yourself. You can share about yourself in this site. Currently you have hundreds of websites of this nature. Currently we have hundreds of websites in this nature. www.facebook.com. These websites are www.facebook.com, www.twitter.com. Millions of people use Facebook, www.chopper.com. So millions of people use this Facebook, chopper.com. Among them, people of almost all languages use this website. So people of almost all languages people uses these websites. Of those, Facebook is used most. Millions of people are using Facebook. Millions of people are using Facebook. So guys, these lines are very important for your MCQ. You can make MCQ from this underlined line. The number of users is gradually increasing in Bangladesh. Every user can create a self-introducing web page either on Facebook or similar websites. The user gives information about themselves and display photographs, videos, etc. In this site, the user gives information about themselves, display photographs and videos, etc. So this is the advantages of these sites. In their profile, from where they can find their friends. Here, friend is not meant in the conventional sense. According to Facebook, how many people are acquainted with them? Someone will be their friends if your friends has a Facebook profile, and if you ask them to be your friend, you will be friends after getting their consents. Okay, after getting your consent, then you will be make your friendship or mutual friendship. Similarly, if anybody sends you a request and you accept it, you will be their friend too. Okay, so this is the process of Facebooking. Thus, you and your friends together will build up your network or social network. Or in this system, you and your friend together will be built up network or social network. I mean Facebook. System of Facebook or social networking. Now your network will become gradually bigger and bigger. You can search for the next page. You can search for your primary school classmates who purpose now living in Australia was separated from you after a long time. In this system, you can find your long ago friends. Now you are separated from you and long time ago. Now you can easily find her the using of Facebook. When you post any information in your profile, it will instantly be visible in a corner of your friends' web pages. The feeling you send is called status. The feeling, so it is called status. The feeling you send is called status in Facebook or Twitter. If you like to display any photographs or show any video that can immediately be watched by everyone connected in your network after adding them your profile. Besides, your Facebook will remind your friends of your birthday. Your Facebook will remind your friends and your birthday. Then you can wish her very easily if you forget her birthday or special day. Everybody will greet you, not only your personal emotion but also advertisement of commodities, circulations of jobs are sent through these social communication websites. Even social movements are being organized through it. It is widely believed that these websites played a vital role in organizing the social revolution in the Arab world, especially in Tunisia, Egypt and Libya in 2010 to 2011. Arab world, especially in Tunisia, Egypt and Libya in 2010 to 11. Organizing the social revolution by Facebook in this Tunisia, Egypt and Libya. And here is the picture of this movement. Mass movement are organized in many countries of the world by using social networking. So it is very strong social networking system. So my dear students, our today's topic lesson 6 and lesson 7, and your homework number 3. You will make 5 MCQ. From this lesson 6 and lesson 7. So So this is our today's topic. So this is our today's topic, my students. See you again, inshallah.